Model 2017 Ford Tourneo Custom L2 2.0 TDCi 8-seater factory minibus Euro 6 ULEZ. Body blue minibus. Mileage 244,355. MOT the 28th of August 2024. Engine 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130ps. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine has seized, engine needs repairing or replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 0 former keepers, air con, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control.